Me titi say Akwaaba na wo airport no. Omo person omo sesa no eye ne gun word, eye ne Oobakɛ. Me patch already omo ye tribalism ana omo person mo de ba.
Airport so woloku hu. Akwaaba so woloku wo Ghana ha Akwaaba.
We see that tribalism in this country now it is getting out of hands. Tribalism tribalism. Ghana no it is getting out of hand because we see an Akwaaba point to say Ganfoni Chimwa. Omo mpese ye be use the word Akwaaba. Hey, omo mpese be TV kra sune. Ewo mo Gan sase so na eho eye Gan land enye Asante or Akan land. It is the word Akwaaba. Omo mpese be TV. Even to the point say Kwame Nkrumah Park omo the signage abo omo say yensan edin no. Akwaaba yin free ho. Ana Kotoka International Airport omo say yin free ho. Ama Ghana Tourism Authority for abetiro wadwe e wona fe media no so a amanfo so e de ho kom ma wonchiri mu no akire wadwe ama me e wo comment section aha yi Penyah media meso say ni die mo obe like video no ada ma subscribe button so na be click notification icon no latest updates na be kire wadwe de ama me e wo comment section meso so ba so a no achi no from so enya bi ahwe and the whole story started this week August year mo I dey kwa we just last week in August year mo I don't know that there was a post a picture I go viral on the internet. I hear say a signage. I signage and I walk Kwame Nkrumah Park no mercy no. Signage over the board and on a containing a price. So person over my entrance fee. Person over no more. And then I almost assishe other boys omo you know non Ghanaian foreigners no kra empanimfo ana ma mo tertiary no obia ne ne bo what I say. Ala fe so ba Ghana fo mu a o ye Ghana ni a ye wo enkora ebo eda ho ye omom ko JHS and SHS for no omo so ebo eda ho no mo ada fe ye wo tertiary university training college for no omo po eda ho ada fe ye wo empanimfo omom ko school no omo abo omanyine no omo so ebo eda I say omo hours omo eye adwuma as a working hours Monday to Saturday ada say 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Sunday so 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. These are the hours I say obetimi akọ Kwame Nkrumah Park in case ese person call for excursioner obetimi akọ so this is signage omo de ebaye na signage we ana spark conversation on the internet enya ebo no ne price ni bibia da bi enya no ne hia ne mo no he top one no na on say wa atwerede miensa bi ye wo welcome ene ebroni kasa English word welcome ene wo wezo eye ever for so edea ene wo Akwaaba eti Akwaaba no eya sanefo ne de account for ne twi no Akwaaba eti this Akwaaba we na ewo mo no anagafo ne se omo nti ase every say eho Kwame Nkrumah Park no ewo gafo ase so eti adan na ye signage a ye kofa sandefo twi Akwaaba ana abehembie where is the ga word every say gamanche na nse mo kasai ama gamanche kase na o kiremu ese o se obi free baby eba gan asase so honom no welcome no ye kana Oobakɛ.
Accra, the heartbeat of the nation. We say Oobakɛ. So instead of saying Akwaaba, we are saying Oobakɛ. Can you say that? Oobakɛ.
And the watch them say, oh, Gamanche, Crown access record do straight. I say welcome in Gan. You can Oobakɛ. And he said, Mo ye bibi dia. That's the other girls I want Gans as so. Then why do you omit Oobakɛ na eye Gan kasa no? Why do people do that? Why do you do that? Enti enumu enema one Gan media bi aye flow mu Ablade TV online. O make it post e wo Facebook. O mu kire mu say for years Ghanaian authorities have consistently used Akwaaba, a tree expression across Ghanailand as the official note of welcome while deliberately ignoring its Gan equivalent. You say many years in here Ghana mpanimfo mu ye bibia wa Gan say so say mo yisu Akwaaba as a welcoming note, even on the land of Gakrano. We use the word Akwaaba. I say, mo you can free mu. E word Gakrano, mo you can free mu. And the Akwaaba nkwa and a munim. Today, the disregard has deepened at the newly refurbished Kwame Nkrumah Park, right in the heart of Accra. Signage now features the ever-term Wezo. In addition to Akwaaba, while once again excluding the Gan version Oobakɛ. What I say? Almost say bubu say oh. And that's why ebiasi ade da be aka was ebiasi if you say Kwame Nkrumah Park omo aye no omo aye signage na signage no omo e de ever kasa wezo abamu bi asa kofa Akwaaba ye ka wasem na ye twi kasa kofa abamu bi ana ga ko ade no ga ye kasa de mo ye firi mu mo yi ga efiri mu. This continuous sideline of the Ga language and identity of Ga soil is not just an oversight, it is an act of disrespect. Before the 2024 elections, the NDC leadership made clear promises to address such sociocultural neglect in Ga land. Yet, months later, not much has been done to fulfill those commitments. Oh, I do not say be about Payson Faso, and Yenifaso, or Mwasheda, or Munimpa intentionally, and Omoya, and when you can go 24 election, oh, and is impending for Ewakas or Omoba Bemwa, or Omber Sane man. Say you was I so I did say you move free. Ye come casa any other day, but Omba Bemi, what 10 months still, oh, Muhu, what I say, the people of Galand are watching. Respect for Ga culture, language, and overall heritage cannot remain an afterthought. Promise must be backed by visible action, not just a campaign rhetoric. And it's all making these claims and allegations on the internet. Until later, and almost send petition as a ipetitions.com. Almost echo petitions. Oh, Ganfo nyina mon kan ho na signage na omu aye no. Ewo kwam Conwell Park na Akwaaba ewo so no. Omu and supported the agenda. Say yes, yes, Akwaaba no, even her ever word was no. Any three word Akwaaba no. Yeni nyina free so na yemfa Oobakɛ eye ga kasa no na e kire ga. Yemfa eno enhye ho. Na enye no nko a yewi a okọ Kotoka International Airport ofri outside eba Kotoka. Yewo welcoming note. How I say actually no Akwaaba in Twi language. And as also yensa enyi no so free honomo. I say omo this particular petition by I say Ablate TV online corner. And omo share that agenda no echi. Enti omo kan that ensem na no. Ene hunu say later another picture be so go viral. A picture no. Ga union. And e kwotena ase kopɛ editors ne ade. And omo share bibia foforo. And then welcome no omi welcome no free ho. Omi ever kasa ways on a free ho. Omi twi kasa Akwaaba no so e free ho. And omi president nyina with Oobakɛ and omo ed and also go viral. And no an Ablate TV online so ebe keep that point. And just we are grateful to the authorities for listening to our genuine concerns. There is true beauty in diversity and a nation that makes everyone feel a sense of what belonging is indeed worth living and even dying for. What I say? Yes, all pump and say, oh, make can be no and penny for etie. I might say, Obi, go down home crack with a picture. Kuma for fraud a cobo honomo, Emma Obi could deny honomo, echo a picture. I was oh, yeah, that is on a bem. Yeah, this what do na ye cano. Fight na ye kuno, corner na ye kun, ya do kunim, emu. And Ghana Tourism Authority was a munya with the Munim Kunimo baby. It almost a make key post. It's a almost issue disclaimer. Say one. Clarification. False claim on Kwame Nkrumah Park signage. The Ghana Tourism Authority has not replaced Wezo, that is into bracket everywhere, and Akwaaba into bracket Akan with Oobakɛ at the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. We never ordered or approved any such change. These greetings remain intact and respected. Yes, hey, munyai. Sao post na mo ankasa mafa editors. Akwato ba kwesa ade de munyai kra. Na ye Ghana Tourism Authority. Ye mo ye trimu se ye besisa bibia na ade na wo ho no na Akwaaba no wezo na welcome no. Eno a na wo ho. Untimi hwa ni hu akata uduru akata wani. Eno a na wo ho. Enye no nkwa. And almost issue another press statement. The GT, that's the Ghana Tourism Authority, cannot replace or change the name on a signage at the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park without consultations or approval from the Ministry of Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts, and also in consultation with the agency in question. What I say? Just won't mean ka say Ganfo no mamu dimutumi akoye de mope David Montimi nyasa no. The DTA wishes to put in the public domain that we do not know anything about it and we did not order or approve the change of the inscriptions on the signage. We therefore urge the general public and stakeholders to disregard the false information and continue to support the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park as a symbol of national pride and unity. What does the amount for no say Ghana Tourism Authority for Adesano Master Munya Sangwasa Kekano. Obia is Sanwe. Obia is Sanwe. And I was even wondering, say, and then I got for chili because even Oko Cote d'Ivoire Crana. Yewo Akwaaba, Oko Omo Airport, Omo Akwaaba Kura Ewo. And the other na Ghana ya Tehane ya concert. And the Ganfono. Despite problems at Ewo you are not interested in any development. With the session say. The word Akwaaba na wo gansa aseso no anamompe. Hey, tribalism penny. Tribalistic people. Tribalism penny. Just a mu here development be a mumpe hwe. The mu here ne say Akwaaba, the word Akwaaba na wo Kwame Nkrumah Park signage no so no. Any Kotoka International Airport no. No nkwara mo hwe say yenyin free ho mo be okay. Charlie. What I say? You do all this. We are then you come and blame the Ashantis for being tribalistic people. But over Kumasi, you were Accra town, Ewo Kumasi. You were Anloga Junction, that is Angonaga Junction, Ewo Kumasi. You were Tadi town, Ewo Kumasi. A Hefa town bay na Yenibu Kumasi. You can't get any now boom. Kumasi, you can't get any now boom. But still, Enko force Kumasi for as an for your tribalistic. Only a tribalistic, they are full of tribalism. And I don't get it. It's why I'm a media, so I'm not going to be actually married because as Antimai connects, I will say, hey, tribal bigotry at Creative and Arts Ministry has succeeded removing Akwaaba from Kwame Nkrumah Park. The next is Kotoka International Airport. What I say? Other person as on the four, I will feel the say, oh, tribal bigotry at Creative and Arts Ministry is omunyina ebo goes oh ade we na ekosi ko Ghana no e de na ekoso sa no na fa ko TikTok mountain so a almost so echiro madwene e fa ho
airport so woloku hu Akwaaba so woloku wo Ghana ha Akwaaba wonte mo lokodo wo Ghana ha Akwaaba na ogbo Kotoka no woloku hu Ghana fulo kwa Akwaaba no ho once sa Akwaaba no wonye no Oobakɛ once sa no wonye no nkanfo na kasem ije dem boto Ghana fu tribalism na yidodo eyi so woko ho Akwaaba na ogbo ofiti pepe no ye na kojo ho no ba na wenhu de oda wo ye no Oobakɛ Akwaaba so woko ho na wona wo sora na pe wedidede wo se Kumasi fu na nka wokotwo we Oobakɛ wo Penyah International the first nka ka won jintum nto da wo sesedi no na baba yare no ye hwan din met na ho na obi frema bemba. What's the Akwaaba no wo Kotoka no? Wapada wasasa na waye no Oobakɛ. What do you think? What do you think? Na men think abede. Akwaaba no san no ne baby sam the what do you think? Na me think am wana. I'm not metin am Ghana.
Me tete say Akwaaba na wo airport no. Omo person omo sesa no eye ne Ghana word, eye no Oobakɛ. Me pa atwa radio mo ye we tribalism ana mo person mo deba. Na che so ko region bia obi ade ni native language ana be welcome here wo. The various airports in Ghana, which is very bad, which I wouldn't support it. Somebody has said, "Enkranfo do say na wa brochiri, Enkranfo do say na mo kwa brochiri." Okwa brochira land in the Kumasi market, mi hu Enkran market, and Jamestown market were landing. Kumasi market na wo ho. Kwawu market and na wo landing. Okwa America yo Kwawu market. Me pa cho already yen so. It's hard time I best stop it tribalism way. Then Oobakɛ.
We Ghana Tourism Authority and Mami we your friend Mami Efua or the Chief Executive Officer CEO Emma Ghana Tourism Authority. Now, Mon adi we da hai. Adi chi anopay yanyanti yese encrophobia or manum wi na o ma burun sa se akotwifo boys bi akwakobubu Kwame Nkrumah Park ho edi poster bi akobo ho say yese ma twetwe bibi de say opete wo so oba che wo sa cheke bi akobubu ho say Akwaaba na ebo ho no ene welcome address signage ne bo no o mani nye ho eti o makohyehe wi akobugugu ho akode ho tatantan akofefas poster bi akobo say yefre bibi Oobakɛ na no na omo eho ye omo dia I mean Ghana Tourism Authority say yan kan kire obi say they had never done such thing and omo small obi a Ghana Tourism Authority according to this woman or HCO letter is say woman small obi a say onko sesa bibia wana so onko bubu bibia ho Now, in fact, obi abehu bi amon report on my police for omo poma che wo say they don't have any right say or change any signage without the concerns or concern of the authority, which is GTA etimuntie. Sad news now flow around fake news, false representation. And yet true, no one had the authority say or no causes any signage. TNA Akwaaba ne bohono Ghana because of say majority of Ghanaians eka akankasa enuntina nyansafo the framers of this signage in ehunu sano TNA kano. Now yentie ni say na wo chief executive no so fi say enya won unim hu bia adentina mo police enko hante wo na mo te wo edeka ka na mo twan. Secondly, adesuntina mo si Kwame Nkrumah Park ewo gafo enkrafo asase so na even though say enkra no akamfo do so nenso mo anyusu nkrafo kasa na mo ko yusu ewefo kasa. This a question maybe sir adena gafo asase so ewo mu say akamfo do so won kran it is somebody yusu akan no cry to represent the country no adena mo anyusu gafo kasa na amfanye mo so mo ye problem ne bi but point ne say omo nsuma obi aso won kono wi say hungry boys, sad dirty boys, no yes, one more yes, to disgrace Ghana and Munyai airtime. More grievances here, more channel in a professional way. Now more address the situation to the authorities. Since say, mobile economy could discern some time on. South Post away a fake. Mentie and Yanokre, according to Ghana tourist authority, say, woman small be in fact, more police enter woman. It's against the laws of this country. Say, over sorry, say Miami Kosasan, BBB. Now the commerce for Tona Baba Yara Stadium or Massano. Adana Yana Moye Mot tribal sentiment, a woman Musano. Ah, Brofudi Obejatum, Akwaaba the Ompere, more bottom.
Obeto Achewaje Amame. Ewo comments that you say it makes sense here, but since how do we and now say Yenkipu. Does it make any sense? I say you wasting resources. You wasting resources. And because it's a near we and I say Yenkipu. Ubeto Achewaje Amame. Ewo comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Accra.